Winning a lottery is exciting, and the idea of magically manifesting a win sure makes you feel empowered. Truth be told, manifesting a jackpot or a lottery is possible and easy too. The biggest proof of this is that hundreds of people win big at different lotteries every day. So, why can't be you that lucky one? Let us answer that one for you. You haven't won yet because you think that it's a huge deal. Don't get us wrong. Winning millions of dollars out of the blue is surely a big deal for the person winning them, but it's no big deal for the universe. Whether you want to manifest a free parking space or $1 million at once, the universe is totally indifferent. It will only guide you in manifesting the desire you are ready for. So, many people don't win big because they have a lot of resistance on this subject: past conditional, negative self-concept, uneasiness with receiving. All these things can mess with your ability to win a lottery. Watch this video till the very end as we give you tried and tested techniques that multiple lottery winners have used to win, and you can also put them to use and manifest hitting a jackpot. Secret number 1: build your belief brick by brick. A strong belief is at the core of every successful manifestation. Without a foundation, the building of your dreams would stand the risk of crumbling flat any day. That is why you would want to work on your belief as the first thing whenever you start with any manifesting endeavor. The first step towards building a strong belief to manifest a lottery win is to check your current beliefs around the subject of money. Number 1, how do you feel about money? Number 2, are you usually optimistic when you think about your money situation, or it leads you to feeling low? Number 3, do you feel worthy of receiving money? Number 4, do you feel like you can ever manifest large sums of money? These are a few questions you can use as journal prompts and start writing your thoughts without thinking much. Just let your thoughts flow out as words on the paper. Fill out a couple of pages with your thoughts. Once you are done, give yourself a break, and when you come back, read everything you have written down and reflect on it. You will get all the answers about your current money beliefs. Now, if you have positive beliefs about money, and particularly around your financial situation, you are good to go and are the perfect candidate for manifesting a lottery win. But if your beliefs are mostly negative, then you gotta build them brick by brick. Building brick by brick means starting small with the money manifestation. Try manifesting a $100 bill first, then move to 1,000 and so on. You gradually start moving upwards and start manifesting larger and larger amounts. This is the best kept secret of people who are excellent money manifestors, and you can become one too. Secret number 2: shed off the desperate energy. If you want to manifest something as big as a lottery, then you would naturally feel a little desperate about getting it as soon as possible. This is basic human nature, and there is nothing wrong with it. This is how we are wired since the beginning of civilization. In the wild, only the fittest survived, which meant you needed to be eager, desperate, and even greedy to get your share of resources in order to survive. Though we live in a world overflowing with resources today, still this conditioning of being desperate has not faded from our minds. But this desperate energy is the ultimate killer of your manifestations. All manifestations work on basic laws of frequency and vibration. The energy you feel is the one you are going to attract into your life. If you feel desperate about winning a lottery, all you are going to attract is more desperation, so get yourself in a good feeling state about this wish. Meditation can be a great help in this regard. Secret number 3: leave the how to the universe. For a second, let's reflect on this desire of hitting a jackpot or winning a lottery. Why do you want to win the lottery? Because you want to manifest loads of money without any effort, right? Now how about you let go of the specific way of winning that money and instead just focus on getting that amount somehow? Whether you get that money through a lottery or through a massive career jump, why should it matter? Or maybe the universe might just give you a property out of nowhere, or you might get that money as an inheritance gift. There are infinite ways the universe can bring about your desire, but you are limiting the universe by dictating the how. We want to just focus on attracting that money. Let the universe decide the best method to deliver it to you. There are 2 major benefits behind this rationale. Number 1, when you let go of the how, you are surrendering your desire to the universe, and anybody who knows about manifesting would surely know about the magical power of surrender. It is a sure-shot way of manifesting your desire in the least possible time. Number 2. Once you let go of the how, your desperate and controlling energy vanishes into the thin air. And when you free yourself of that energy, you become open to receiving positive energy that helps you in bringing about your desire into a reality, which in this case is winning huge amounts of money via lottery. Know and believe that if the universe has to move mountains to bring you the money, it will. If it has to use 10 people to bring that money to you, it will. That's how strong your faith should be. So, what are your personal experiences about winning the lottery or money through manifestation techniques? Don't forget to comment your answers down below, and we might include your experience in future videos. Now guys, the next step in your manifestation journey is to keep watching this channel. Click now on the video on the screen to watch another inspirational video.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.